Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've posted on YouTube. I've just been really busy and I haven't had the chance to film a video, so I finally got the chance to film, and I will be filming an unboxing of the Boxycharm for this month. Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription, and I've had it for quite some time now. They do also offer a $50 subscription, and I believe that's every 3 months. I'm supposed to be getting the December box, so I'm really excited for that box. But anyways, the products that I received for this month is this really nice eyeshadow palette, and this is the packaging. This is the back, and let's see, this is how it looks inside. I received Cover FX glitter drops, and this is in the shade Nova. These eyelashes from Lashaholic, and this is how they look. They're super pretty. Also came with these brushes, and these are Lexi brushes. And the last item is this eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow. I'm going to take this shade right here for my transition color. I'm going to go ahead with this shade right here, and I'm going to just apply this on the outer corner and work it all the way up to the crease. And now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. And I'm using this Alamar concealer brush. Now that I have that done, I'm gonna take this really pretty shade Rose. So I'm gonna apply this right there. Take this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply this to the inner corner and blend it in with that rose shade that we have. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm applying this to the outer crease and blending in with the shade Rose. I'm going to take Poppy, and I'm applying this to the outer corner, and just to deepen up this look, just make everything blend out. Okay, so this is how the eyeshadow turned out. Super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes and do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is how everything turned out. I went ahead and applied on my foundation, some blush and bronzer, and I also applied the same mattes that I did to the top lid to the bottom lash line. I'm gonna apply this glitter line, and here is a quick swatch. You can see like the really pretty glitter that it has in it. And for the next item, I'm going to use the Cover FX glitter drops, and this is in Nova. And I actually haven't used these before. This is how it looks, super pretty. So I don't know if you're supposed to use this as highlighter or if it's just like glitter for like your body, but I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. And it's like this kind of like creamy texture. So I feel like I could use it for highlight. Okay, so I'm going to take my beauty blender and apply this on. That's super pretty. It's super glittery. So let's just put this. I actually really like that. Super nice and pretty and glittery. I feel like if I were to put a highlighter first on top and then that, it would look a little bit more sheer, not just like super bright shimmer. So I'm gonna try on this side, and I'm gonna apply some highlighter and then add the drops to it. And this is Makeup Geek Sunlight Highlighter. Yeah, that actually looks a lot smoother. So I feel like if you're gonna use these as a highlighter, I would apply the highlighter first and then that on top, just to give it more of a more glittery shine. For the last thing, I'm gonna apply some lipstick on, and this one came in, I believe it was my last Boxycharm box that I had, and this is Hank and Henry, and this is a liquid lipstick and a petal pusher. So I'm just gonna apply this on. I feel like this lipstick would look nice with what I have on. So this is how the look came out. I really did like all the products in it. The eyeshadow palette, I was really impressed with it. All the shadows worked really well. I didn't have any problems blending. I actually don't have anything of this brand, so I think I'm gonna probably pick up some more eyeshadow palettes because the formula was really great and I didn't have any problems blending. As for these cover drops, I feel like I have to kind of like see what they're for. Like, I'm not sure if it's like a highlighter or just like glitter, but I mean it works as a highlighter. But yeah, I mean this one's there, it's super pretty. I'm probably just gonna use this like on top of highlighter just to give it more of a dramatic look. The brushes, they're super cute. I believe I used this one, these three right here. This one worked really well with blending on the lid, and this brush right here is the one I used for the bottom lash line, which worked really well. These brushes are super cute, so definitely I am liking the brushes as well. And for the liner, it's super pretty, but when you apply you apply it to your lid. It's kind of looks like more of a silverish, which probably has to do with the silver glitter that it has in it. It's not something that I would probably like repurchase, but I mean, I'm gonna use it since I did run out of my eyeliner. But yeah, so for this one, I would say it's okay. Like if you're into glitter liners, then I would say purchase. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So these lashes, they're more like for a I feel like they're more for like a natural day, like when you don't want to do like super dramatic lashes, but they're super pretty. I really do like them. They were easy to put on. And yeah, so this is how the finished eye look turned out. So this is the finished look. If you guys don't have the Boxycharm subscription, I do recommend it. I mean, all the products are really great just for $21 a month. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.